Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this video is we're gonna make a review. Okay, we've got a review for today. So yes, this product is what is this called? This product is when I bought this one. So this product is together with the other, right? So it's because it's just put it in. Okay, so yeah, so you know already the thumbnail, okay, and also you already the title of this video. So I'm gonna show to you, and also I'm gonna have to check it. What is this one? So what is this one right over here, right? So we've got a look right over there, but when I check it in my Google Lens, so the one thing Google Lens or in the Amazon, right? So I checked it. This is a Joy-Con attachment grip, okay? A Joy-Con attachment or docking charger, right? For your Nintendo Switch right over here, right? So, and it's also, you have to connect it into your Nintendo Switch, and you have to connect this one into your Nintendo Switch docking charger station, right? So this is a docking charger station for your Joy-Con for the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con, right? So it has four, right? So it has four right over here. We've got the A, B, C, D, right? So you just have to attach the Joy-Con of your Nintendo Switch, right? So and also I'm gonna have to show you how to use this one, okay? So right over here we got this one over here. So this is called the iPega, right? So iPega Joy-Con charger docking, yeah, docking charger for your docking what is this called? Docking charger for your Joy-Con for Nintendo Switch, right? It's also right. So I think it's work for the Nintendo Switch one, okay, for the Nintendo Switch one, and also I think it's gonna be working on the OLED, right? So the docking charger for the OLED. And I don't think that this gonna be work for the Switch 2, right? So I don't think. Okay, so okay, let's go. Gonna have to put this on into my Nintendo into the docking charger of my Nintendo Switch, and let's go gonna have to test it out if this gonna be working, right? Okay. So alright, here we go. So I've got my Nintendo Switch right over here, and let's go. I'm gonna have to take this off first. So this is not the original docking. This is not the original docking charger, right? Station. So this is a generic. So this is from this is from this. Oh, okay, still. It's still working. So this is from the brand for this one is the GameStop, right? So they have their own, right? So they have their own. So it is now connecting it up. So I'm gonna have to try if this is gonna be fitting. All right, so here it goes. It's already fit, right? It's already fit. So one thing is I'm gonna have to take this off the Joy-Con, and I'm gonna have to put the charger on it. Okay, so I'm still not, it's still not connecting into the charging output. Okay, so alright, it's already, there's a light, there's a blue light on it, so I'm gonna have to take this off. So let's go gonna try if this gonna be working, right? So since I have to take this off, okay, so I have to take this off first, is because it is not working if there's the case on it, right? It's a jelly case on it, so it feels so hard for me to take it off. Alright, so here it goes. So I'm gonna have to put this on right over here. So let's go, gonna have to check it out. So yeah, and this one right over here, let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay, so yeah, and I think, yeah, that's one over there. Yeah, I think so, right? So but having trouble right over here is because it's not sticky anymore, right? So yeah, I think, yeah, That's good one also. So I'm gonna have to take for the OLED, right? I'm just gonna have to take the OLED and then that one over here, right? So and this one again. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, perfect. So all four is now, I think, charging. Oh, okay, okay. The my Nintendo Switch one is already what is this called? Yeah, it's already charging, right? But I don't know for the OLED. So yeah. So I think that's one right over there. So it's gonna be perfect, right? So I think the OLED is charging, right? So you can see that right there. So I'm gonna have to change the angle, okay? So right over there, okay. So you see, there's a red color for my OLED Joy-Con, right? But this one right here for the Switch one is blue. So I think this one. So I think for the blue, it's charging. It's already full, right? It's already full. So I think this one right here needs to be charging it up, right? So and yeah, perfect is also really good. Very resourceful and hopeful. And then I think this gonna be work and also into the OLED docking charger station, right? So let's go. Gonna have to check it out if it's gonna be working. All right. So alright, it's still working also in the is still also working for the Nintendo for the docking charger for the Switch OLED. So there's also, I think, right here for the Switch 2, but I don't think it's gonna be working. So let's gonna have to try it. So cross finger if it is gonna be working also, right? So I'm gonna have to find the link of this. I'm gonna have to find a link. I'm gonna have to find a product link for this one and the Amazon, right? In the Amazon. Okay, so since I saw this on Amazon, okay, I'm gonna have to switch into the Switch 2 if it's gonna be working, right? And also it's not gonna be working for the right, this one. So this is only for the previous Switch, right? Okay, so let's go gonna get over if it's gonna be working. So cross finger, everyone. Okay. So alright, what happened is it's gonna be inserted into that one, right? But unfortunately, the problem is it has so having a fall right over here, so that's why it's cannot be right. Look at that. So it's gonna be insert into the USB port, but it's not gonna be for the big one. So because the docking charger for the Switch 2 is bigger than the previous, right? From the Switch 1 and the OLED, right? So that is the main thing about for the Nintendo Switch 2, right? So this is only meant for the Nintendo Switch 1 and the OLED, okay? Docking charger, right? So yeah, it really is good. So really good. And if you want to have this, so I'm gonna link down below. I'm gonna put down the link in the description below. Yeah, iPega. So the brand for this one is the brand for this one is iPega. So it's because I bought another docking charger when I saw the docking charger. All right, in the thrift store. So I decided to buy it. All right. Okay. So gonna have to transfer. Okay. So alright, so yeah, there it goes. So this is the iPega Joy-Con docking charger for your Nintendo Switch 1 and OLED. So right, so back to the previous that I mentioned earlier. So when I bought, I saw this docking charger for the Nintendo Switch 1 and OLED. So and I saw this one attached onto it. So what I saw was this one. I want to know what is this one. So at first I don't know what what for this for. So what I am thinking is this game card holder. Yeah, so when I search it into the Amazon, right? When I search it to Amazon, so that's when I know that this one is a docking charger for that Joy-Con, right? docking charger for the Joy-Con, and it's also, yeah, and it's also, yeah, kind of, I have to right there, so you just have to put it on, and then there's a Velcro strap in here, right? There's a Velcro strap that you have to put it on, and then you have to charge it up, right? So since you already know there, so at the point of view that is charging blue, if you I think blue meant is for, I think, full charge, but the red one, the when I put my Joy-Con for the OLED right here is on red, so I think that's charging, right? So for my Nintendo Switch one, I put it on, but it's on blue, so that's I think that is the full charge, right? So already full charge, right? Already full charge, so that's what I was thinking about. So we got some right here patent number, right? Okay, as you can see that we got some patent number right over here. So yeah, it is gonna be not clearly, right? So yeah, and it's also, yeah, and also when I bought the another docking charger for the Switch, there's also a Joy Grip also, right? There's also a Joy Grip. So how many Joy Grips that I have now? So I think I have 4 Joy Grips. So I have the Scalinco Joy Grip for my Switch one, and it's also another Joy Grip for the OLED, and also a Joy Grip for the Switch 2, and also another Joy Grip. So I think, where is that? So I think this in here, so I'm gonna have to show you. And also the docking chargers already to be put in the TV, right? So if I want to play some games, I can play it up. Okay, I am playing games in the TV. So sometimes I am playing games. So when I am not when I am not doing anything, right? So since I also do some gameplays in my channel, so the other docking charger is on the side of my laptop. So I don't have any PC, right? So but unfortunately I have to buy a PC, so because that I don't want to use my laptop, so I can have to some edit, and I want to, you know, I want to record gameplays in a PC, because PC is a good you know, for gaming, right? So gaming PC, right? So I need some higher resolution and also higher graphics, right? So yeah, so I think, yeah, so I think that's it for this video. So just link down below in the description. So yeah, have to check it out also, right? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And see you again on the next one.